How to deposit funds in Bitrue account. Are you guys facing issues to deposit funds on Bitrue account? If that's so, then this video might help me out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To deposit funds in your Bitrue account, open the Bitrue app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now on home screen, tap on the assets or wallet section, which is usually located at the bottom of your screen. Look at the right bottom of your screen. Once you click on asset, choose the cryptocurrency. You will be able to see this option for deposit crypto. You are looking to deposit, right? Tap on deposit. Now choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, for example Bitcoin or USDT. Bitrue will show you deposit address and a QR code. Copy the address or scan the QR code from the wallet or exchange you're sending crypto from. Make sure to double check that the network like ERC20, TRC20 or BEP20 matches on both sides. Using the wrong network could lead to permanent loss of funds. Once you send the crypto, wait for a few minutes the transaction to be confirmed on blockchain. You'll see a balance updated on your Bitrue automatically. And that's it guys. That's how you're going to deposit funds in Bitrue. Bye bye.